sellers are people and they have houses. So we have to get a seller to like and trust us. And we got to understand a personality type of a seller so we understand who we're talking to. There are 4 personality types we're going to learn, and we're going to learn how to build subliminal rapport with people so they like and trust you, which is a key component of success when you're meeting people. So, social conscious. This is another one that most people blow out. Social conscious is non-assertive, meaning they're not going to be confrontive. They're responsive. They're spiritual. They will make a decision if patient. They're caring, supportive, respectful, low risk takers, sensitive, willing, self-hearted. They're agreeable, likes relationships, likes to build relationships. So here's the thing with social conscious, right? They want to have a win-win-win situation. So basically what they want is they want to know how their decision affects everybody else in a positive way. So if you have a charity you work with and you give a percent to charity, that's huge. When I'm talking to a social conscious person, I'm not going to pressure them hard on signing the contract. They will sign the contract if you build enough trust and respect and rapport with them. That day they'll sign if they're ready. But then with that type of person, as long as they know that their decision affects everybody in a positive way. So I said, listen, Mr. Seller, I know this house is in a little tough position, but what happens is with our team of people, we come in, we make the property look incredible. We're going to sell it at the highest price possible. If we fix and flip it, we're going to put a great family in this. It's going to be great for the entire neighborhood. That's going to help everybody else in the neighborhood with their valuations, and we're going to make this a spectacular project. So they want to know that their decision, how it impacts and affects everybody else in a positive way. So social conscious is incredibly important of really relaying how their decision impacts everybody else, and you have to take the time to work through that and really show them how it's a win-win-win. Not just a win-win, but a win-win-win. A win-win-win means it's a win for you, it's a win for them, but it's also a win for somebody else as well.